Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel! Miss Anna Magkawas actually messaged me in Instagram and she wanted me to review her products. So dalawa to. One from LuxeSkin and one from LuxeSlim. But for this video, I'm gonna talk more about LuxeSkin. Ganito na lang yung setting because I just want this to be a very normal, parang ano lang, free-flowing conversational video. Okay? Di ko pa siya nabubuksan, so I'm gonna unbox it right in front of you guys. Look at this! Ang laki ng bag! Ayan. Tada! Oh my god, nakat yung head ko. So, ito yung bag na binigay sa akin and let's just unbox it right now. Oh my god, ang dami palang sinend sa akin. So, I have 3 boxes of LuxeSlim. This one I'm gonna talk about sa different video. No, actually, there's 6 boxes. Oh my god, so much coffee. Ay! Ay! And then, these are the products for LuxeSkin which I'm gonna talk about in this video. Ito yung super excited ako matry. This is the Eye Rescue Cream. Kapag may puffiness ka sa under eyes, sobrang maganda daw to. So, I can't wait to try this. Ay, what's this? This is I think a thank you, ano lang, let's open it right now. Oh! May naka-print na LuxeSkin. So, syempre, ito yung gagamitin kong mug when I drink the coffee. And finally, we also have wipes, antibacterial wipes. So, very timely. Thank you very much, Miss Anna, for this. Okay, so going back, ito nga no, yung eye cream. Let me just open one. Tapos gagamitin ko siya this week. Sabi naman ni Miss Anna, makikita yung results in 1 to 2 weeks daw usually. So, yon. Oh! I didn't expect it to be this big ha. Kala ko parang manipis lang siya. But, that's good. It's really big. I feel like there's a lot of product inside. Hopefully, madaming product sa loob. Okay. So, if you can see here, it has a ball roller. Is it, ano ba? Yan. It has a ball roller. Apply a thin layer of LuxeSkin Eye Rescue Cream around and under the eye area. Use twice daily for the best result. Twice daily. Okay, kala ko every night lang. So, makaka-help kaya sa dark circles? Kasi, ako talaga, ang concern ko is dark under eyes. Pero, mostly, ang mga nakikitang review is for puffiness talaga. I don't have to put it in the ref na pala. It's really, it's cold. I'm gonna start using this tonight and then I'm gonna continue using it for around 2 weeks and then I'll give you guys an update. Wait, parang wala siyang lumalabas na cream. You press it. Nape-press. Oh, wow. Ipe-press pala! Para siyang pen yung pinapress na ganon. See, do you see that? Something's going out, look. Ayan. Oh my god, ang bobs naman. You just roll it. I think this is too much. Siguro mga 1 pump lang. It's pretty cold on the back of my hands. So, feeling ko, since thinner din yung skin natin sa under eye, baka mas okay siya. It also smells really nice. Parang floral. Yeah, medyo floral siya. It smells really clean as well. Para siyang, it's relaxing. I like it. Alright, so I have been using this product for 5 days already and I feel like I see a difference naman dun sa color ng under eyes ko. I'm gonna show you the before and after photos at the end of this video para makita nyo talaga yung comparison. This is what I'm excited about and I'm gonna show it to you guys kasi hindi lang siya pang paayos ng puffiness or like dark circles. It can also be a great base when you put under eye makeup. Usually, kapag dry yung skin mo or hindi masyado maganda yung base, hindi moisturized, the skin becomes very patchy and dry and the makeup doesn't set really nicely. So with that, I'm gonna put the Lux Eye Repair Cream under this eye and dito, wala. And then after a few hours later tonight, I'm gonna show you what it looks like. But I already put my toner, moisturizer, and I also did my brow makeup na and put a little lip balm. Here, I'm gonna use 1 pump. This is actually too much already for my 1 under eye. Dapat para sa dalawa to. But since we're gonna do a test, okay na to. I'm fine with using this 1 pump for my right eye. Yan. It feels really cold. O, diba? Ang one pump talaga, it's a lot for one under eye. So after that, I'm just gonna let it sit for a little bit until mag-dry siya, and then I'm gonna put on my concealer. So again, this under eye does not have any product at all, even skincare, wala siyang products. First, I'm gonna put on my LA Girl Pro Conceal, and then after that, I'm gonna use my Issey & Co Active Concealer. Using my Real Techniques Beauty Blender, ibe-blend out ko yan. So now that I'm done putting on the concealer, tatapusin ko na yung full makeup ko with my mascara, blush, lipstick, and foundation. So I'm done putting on my makeup, and this is the close-up of my under eyes. Maganda pa lighting, so you guys can really see what it looks like. Again, this is the eye that doesn't have any base on, and this is the one with the LuxeSkin Eye Repair Cream. I didn't put powder or anything, ano lang, like I'm just gonna let it set on its own. Okay guys, see, it's 9:07 and excited na ako ipakita sa inyo what happened. Kasi, paano ba ito ipapakita sa camera? Sa mirror kasi sobrang clear yung difference niya. Pero let me try. So sorry if I'm oily, pero syempre kanina hapon pa to. So look, pag nagganyan ako, kita mo na kung ano yung may eye bags, diba? This one, obviously. Ito yung walang LuxeSkin, and this one has LuxeSkin cream. Do you see that? Asan yung... hindi ko nakikita yung eye bags. Kita mo? Kita mo yan? Galing! This is a very unpleasant angle sa nose ko. But yan, do you see? Super obvious naman na wala akong ginawang retouch or anything. So this is like authentic, real review. So now, ang hihintayin natin is yung dark under eyes kung nag-lighten talaga. Which I will show you at the end of this video like I said kanina. So just wait for that. Okay, so the moment that you've all been waiting for. Nakakaputi ba talaga siya ng under eyes in 2 weeks? Well, the answer is yes! Actually, napakagaling. Nagulat nga ako kasi eto, papakita ko na lang sa inyo. As you can see, yung top part, top photo is the before picture and ito yung sa baba yung after. I really tried my best to take a photo na medyo same lighting. So, ayan yun. And nakikita nyo naman sobrang obvious na mas maitim yung top picture kesa dun sa bottom picture. So, well, pagbigyan natin, 2 weeks pa lang naman talaga to. But, meron na siyang pagbabago. So, imagine if, if ginamit mo siya for more than 2 weeks. Sabihin natin 1 month, 3 months, a year. So, diba? This is really effective. Good job, Miss Anna Magkawas, for this LuxeSkin product that you have. If also you're interested, ito yung price niya. Sobrang affordable din niya para sa tube na malaki na ganon. I really like it. Ang lamig niya sa eyes, very cooling. Plus, it's multi-purpose. Pwede siya under the makeup. Pwede rin siya as your night skincare routine. So yeah, wala na ko ibang masabi, but I guess that's how you lighten your under eyes in just 2 weeks. So if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and comment down below your thoughts, suggestions, or whatever you want to say. And also, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and see you guys real soon.